doors, not with the shits, no shifty shit. We ride with this stick, this shit get lit.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to go through a couple steps on how to clean up your foggy headlights. This is an older 2009 TDI. Make a quick video how to do it. You need sandpaper, soap and water, some type of buffing wheel or rotary buffer, whatever you want to do, and I'm going to use some Chemical Guy C4 clear cut. That's about it. I'm going to show you what you got to do. Very simple. See how everything looks hazy? Camera's really not picking it up, but it's very hazy. Very rough to the touch. All right, this first step really is going to be based on how bad they are. These are pretty bad. And only sandpaper I had was 2000 grit. So that's what I'm going to use. I would probably normally start I would say at 1000 or maybe 800. Probably 1000 actually, but I don't have any, so I'm going to do 2000. Might take me a little bit longer. But that's all depend on how bad, how pitted, but yeah, let's get started. Soap and water. Make sure everything's wet. Start sanding. Usually I would, if this was a lot nicer car, or this is just my beater, I would probably tape everything up just so you don't mess the paint up. But it is what it is. Go different directions because you're going to buff it out. Try to get all that oxidation off of it. You can see how it's turning like a yellowish color. Yeah, you might have to do this a couple times. You can actually feel it when it's starting to get smooth. Maybe you can see in the camera, I don't know, but you can actually see it's much clearer now. I'm going to go over it one more time. I can feel where it's rough still. Really didn't feel like spending $100, $200 on a set of headlights, so easy, quick. Clean them up, buff them out. Anybody can do this. Save you some money. Hopefully in the camera you can see. It's definitely clearer now, but it still has haze on it because we just sanded it. Nice and smooth. I think a lot of this stuff is actually inside the light too, because it's smooth and it's not rough anymore. So we're gonna cut it real quick. A couple drops, nothing crazy. Don't need much. I wish I had a smaller buffer. Be a lot easier. But gotta work with what you got. And this one actually turned out a lot better than the other one. I mean, it's a beater. So, like, I didn't go crazy with it, but it's 10 times better than it was. But that's really it. Sand it, buff it out. This actually, C4 stuff actually works pretty good for it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.